That's the back of Creek to School right up there. So there's actually some schools right up in this area, and we're kind of in this interesting spot, and it's called Caminho das Hortas. And we're also at this other one, which is Rua de Tinchan. And we did do a different video where we were kind of at this temple up there. We found out that temple goes back 350 years, which was kind of cool. I didn't expect that. But this particular video, we're going to do Caminho dos Hortas when I'm with my daughter. And we even have some really cool little artifacts. And we got more cool artifacts over here. We have TAIPA Central over there. We have more tall buildings with TAIPA Central over there, including Altira. And what we're gonna do is just go down this little makeshift street behind my daughter here. And that's where we're gonna be going, down that way. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Before we go up, this is kind of interesting right here because this stuff, there's all these artifacts and they have this giant corner window next to this place, but this one has like a little ladder up and then it's all on display here, which is actually pretty amazing. And then this one is another kind of an extension of that as well. And again, it's just kind of on display, so I don't know what it's all about exactly. Wow, that's interesting. This is actually specifically Macau 2014, Macau Chegi Xuan 2014 Autumn Auctions. So this is for auctions where they sell off these kind of things like that. I've walked by this other times and it's I just don't know. Like, it's always seems to be here. But yeah, look at that display. They just have like kind of like a prominent display of things.
It has my Kai, yeah. It's my Kai, it has my Kai.
Right there, and the really? Kai, which character is that? The first, second, third? Kai and yeah.
The first character, I think it's my Kai or yeah.
Wow. That's kind of cool.
Oh, it's my Ya.
It's your Ya.
My Chinese name is Kai Ya.
And that's the one right there, eh? That's the character that you write when you write your Chinese name in Chinese characters.
It's my Chinese name.
Yeah, actually, this is kind of cool. So actually, this little building looks like it's all connected, and it has a lot of kind of Buddhism references. I think that's a protection god, probably. But yeah, that whole little, it's like a little unit in there. So they basically have like a rooftop up there. They got like a little inner courtyard, and then they have that beautiful display right there as well. Pretty cool. So we're gonna keep on strolling down. So we're on, I think it's called, what's it called again? Caminho dos Hortas, I think. I think Hortas means, it's like garden or vegetables or something like that, a vegetable garden or something. And if that's the name, it kind of makes sense because this feels like more like, traditionally this would have been more like gardens, I think, just based on the name alone, and then the fact that it's like a little bit removed from the urban area. It has a certain beauty to this street actually, because you have all these trees, you got all these plants, you have kind of cool looking buildings everywhere, and even the rooftop style is pretty cool as well. Like, this is kind of like a traditional Chinese rooftop. Oh, look at this one. This one is like really like traditional Chinese. Huh, they even have like a little fountain here, so like probably the water would come up. This is definitely between two people's homes, so I'm not going to go up it, but there could be other stuff around the back. It's funny how like even got like cabinets, like everything is kind of like indoor and outdoor in this area.
Oh, they have flowers.
Where's the flowers? Oh, the trees?
Yep.
Oh yeah. Yeah, that's kind of cool, right? I bet this kind of place I wouldn't be surprised if they'll bring their dinner table out here sometimes and eat. Sometimes I'll see it in these kind of places. They'll bring out. It's a kind of interesting little street. We're in TAIPA, Caminho dos Hortas. Kind of more garden stuff. And then yeah, basically all these are kind of like corrugated. What's that? There's a word that's, it's kind of like they put together to kind of makeshift tin and kind of build these homes. And then they've been here for quite a while. The structures have been here for a long time. And then we come up to this kind of this only little apartment building complex that I see. I always wonder if these are really low rent because it wouldn't be that easy to walk to it or take a bus. And then there's a little karate, not karate, but there's a top fighting shop right over there. And there was something about Macau Open Championship 2018 and that as well. So I guess that's where they do training. Look at that car. That car looks like it's been there quite a while.
You can't touch it.
You can't touch the car? Oh, it says don't touch? Or it says don't enter?
You can't like...
Don't touch it?
I mean, you cannot do like that.
I bet there's probably a possibility that somebody might, the government might think it's like an abandoned, they want to tow it away. Possibly, I don't know.
You just can't do like that.
Can't touch it?
Okay,
I'm definitely not going to touch that car. And then we're coming out to, you can see all these tall buildings of TAIPA. So it's just a matter of time before all of this is where we're at now. For the time being, it's still kind of its own little entity with like makeshift metal, conjugated steel, conjugated tin. And then we're gonna go down a little bit further till we get to these banyan trees. And yeah, actually I didn't show it on this video, but we did do another video where we walked down here and we went up to a temple. And that temple that we went to had a god, a number of them. That's the other part of Macau. That one has a lot more buildings again as well. And we're kind of in this spot where there's kind of a lack of it. You know what these two characters might have said? I don't know. I mean, I guess it was a wall. Maybe a family's occupied it. Is what I'm. So we're gonna continue on. We had a little bit of a battery mishap, which is common with the GoPro. So yeah, we found out that there was a temple just up there. It's about 350 years old, which is kind of surprising because most of the history of TAIPA is maybe, you know, less than 100 years. The Portuguese were on the other island, the peninsula of Macau, and this would have been more like a different island. It took like an hour to get here. Even like 100 years ago it would take an hour. Now it just drive over the bridge. It's quite quick now. But anyways, we're on this little street, which is just down from our starting spot, and this has all these banyan trees. And in the other video we kind of talked about it as well, but they're kind of the same issue. But basically you'll have these big trees, they're banyan trees, they're numbered. So you see like 645, 646, 647, and each one of them will be, you flip it like that. So you can kind of see all these trees behind us now. And basically all of them kind of have the same situation where they're preserved by the government and they're all protected. And I think this will be here for quite a while, these trees. But I think the street will probably metamorphosize into something else in the future because, you know, these are just kind of tin shacks. But they have like little, some of them have businesses where they do little things, but I don't know, I think it's just a matter of time before all those tall buildings over there that you can see between, and then all these tall buildings over here that you can see, it's just a matter of time before they all converge, and then all this will be one of the consequences of that. So anyways, I think what we should do is do a little conclusion. So, pretty cool.
Yeah.
Here comes the motorcycle. Oh yeah. Alright, so this was, what's it called? Caminho dos Hortas? And we're in TAIPA, and there's a car that's going to come and it's going to run us over, so we're going to end it right now. Bye! We had no idea. So actually this is Caminho dos Hortas, and way down there was also Caminho dos Hortas. So actually we started there, and there's another little name of a Povachacachao. So there's like two street names at the same time. So anyways, we started way down there, and now we're now it looks like we're actually at the real ending of the street. So pretty cool. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.